I'm R.R. Khardukar from Jagannath Municipal Secondary School. I know this is the first lecture for Standard 9. We are going to start with the new lesson, that is chapter number 4 from General Maths 2, Geometrical Construction. Geometrical construction is the base for the future construction, engineering and so on. In geometrical construction, we are going to study in this General Maths 2 a basic concepts. The basic concept, first we have to know what are the instruments to be used in your book. When you say geometry box, the geometry box is a small size which is about 6 inches by 3 inches. In that you have different instruments in it. Let's see what are the instruments and what are its component names and what are its use. The very first one what we have is the ruler. Many of you all say it's a scale. So this is your ruler. I am using the model which is a bigger size one. Now in this you have ruler, you have two things. One you have on the top as inches and below that you have the centimeter. Now for your purpose for construction, you require only centimeters. So centimeters where are there, it's written on the top, that you are going to check. So this is your scale or ruler, you are going to use only centimeters, keep it in mind. I repeat, you are going to use only the centimeters. Second thing is what you require is a protector. This is your protector. Many of you all say D, it's a wrong word. I again use, you are going to use the right word called as protector. Now protector, you have two things in it. Two zeros in it. One on your right and one on your left. On the right, when you say, on your right, when you say, you have the numbers going on from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It goes up to 90 and then it goes to as it is 100, 110, 120, 180. So it goes from 0 to 10, 20, 30 and so on. And if you are going from this way, if you are going from this end, 0, 10, 20, you go inner lining here in it. Inner lining. That means you are going to the clockwise direction, you are going from the inner side of it. And when you are going from the 0 from other side, you go on the outer. The third one what you are going to use is the compass. Now here this is a model. I am not using exact compass here. I am putting a pen, the marker pen, which is to be put on this part. Now this has to be very tight. It should not be loose. And one more thing is that this pencil what you are going to insert it in, it should be pointed. And second thing, you require these two things to be touched each other. So if this is okay, then your construction will be good. The third and the fourth and the fifth instrument what you are going to use is the set square. Basically set square is of two things. One is 45, 90 and 45 angle set square. One more is there, you have a 30, 60, 90 protector set square. So two set square you have, one is 30, 60, 90 set square, and the second one what you require is 45, 45, 90. Now when I say 45, 45, this is an isosceles right angle triangle. No doubt this is also an isosceles right angle triangle. This is also a right angle triangle. But this is an isosceles because these two sides are equal. So once you know this thing, the compass and its instrument, let's go for the theory and see what you are going to do, the basic concepts in your 9th standard. First one, I'll write it down some questions on the board, and in that we'll solve it out later. I'll read it out. Draw a segment PQ of length 5 centimeter. It's a basic question I'm going to talk about. I told you first is the revision, and then you're going to go for the further part. Draw a perpendicular bisector of segment AB equal to 5 centimeter. I'll write on all the questions and then we'll solve it out one by one. Draw angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Q angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Angle ABC is equal to 120 degree. Draw an angle PQR is equal to 45 degree and bisected. Construct angle ABC congruent to angle PQR. I have written the 5 questions on the board. Let's see how we will do these questions on the board. The very first one, what is that? Is draw a segment 5 centimeter. PQ is given to you. Segment PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. So segment is the part of a line which measures as 5 centimeter. It does not have an arrowhead on it. So we are going to take this P here, and Q, it measures as 5 centimeter. So you are going to keep this as 0 here and make a dot here, another, and draw a line. So this what you get is Q, and this measures is 5 centimeter. So we are going to write this as